Hi everyone, my name is Christopher Walker, and in this video we're going to talk about how to use the Loom Chrome extension to video record and screencast. So first you want to open the page that you want to screencast to, and then you're going to go up to the top right hand corner and click on the Loom symbol. And that's going to pop open this new screen right here, and in the bottom left hand corner, yourself. So there are a couple options within Loom that you can modify and change before you start recording. So the first one is over here, there are 3 different settings for how you want to record. So the first one is the screen and your camera. So that's going to record your entire computer screen, and then it's also going to include your webcam. So you can see in the bottom left-hand corner, there's the recording of me. You also can just do the screen only. When you do that, you're going to have a little window pop up here with like an image. It might be a letter, depending on how you have your Chrome browser set up. This is my image that I have set up with that. You can even see it's up here too. Or you can just do the camera only. And with the camera only, it's going to push it to this and then eventually make it larger when you start to screen record. So you also have some microphone options that you can turn your microphone off or on. And then there's advanced options as well. So you can decide on your camera source, your flip camera, microphone source. And then you also have these ones down here, and these ones are pretty important. So the first one is use photo for screen only. So if you turn that off, when you click screen only, it's going to completely get rid of that little box right here, or that circle, and that way you don't have that in your recording at all, which is kind of nice, especially if you're going to do the screen only. The control menu is this piece down here. You can again turn that off or turn it on, and then the recording countdown. So this is a countdown. We'll go 3, 2, 1, and then it'll start recording. So you can get rid of that if you want. So I'm going to turn these all back on, and then I'm going to click hide advanced options. Now, once you're ready, you can start recording. There is one other feature too that I want to talk about. So when you pick screen only and screen plus cam, you also have the option to pick between your full desktop or just your current tab that you're in. Now, it's important to note that when you're using your screen recording, if you're using the current tab option only, if for some reason you have a link or something within your thing that you're going through and it opens up a new tab, it's not going to record that tab. So I oftentimes use the full desktop just in case there's something I forgot about in my recording that I was going to do that's going to take me to a new screen. So just know those options before you start recording. Once you're ready, you're going to click start recording. It's going to ask, do you want to use your entire screen or just an application window? If you're using the full desktop, I just use the entire screen. Click share, gives you that 3, 2, 1, and then you can start recording. And then once you're done, you can click the X. You also have the, or actually once you're done, you're gonna click the green check mark. If you don't like how it's going, you can click the X. And then you also have a pause button as well. So the pause button is really great if you need to go grab something really quick or get something ready for the next part of the video. And then again, once you're done, click that green check. It's going to go through the process and it's going to bring you to the Loom editor so that you can edit your video and make it what you want it to before you put it out there. I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial on the Loom Chrome extension screen recording and screencasting tool.